Okay, now we have architecture file in our project. You can find this architecture file here in Revit links section. If you right click on it, you can see different options, reloading, unloading, and so on. But for example, no removing option. How to remove link? You should go to insert, you should go to manage links. Here you have all links of different type of files in your project, but actually we have only Revit one. And you can choose this Revit project and remove, but it will be safe. We need architecture file. Also, I want to talk about reference type. You see here overlay and attachment. Overlay means if your host file will go somewhere in central model when user will not see Revit links section like this advanced project. But if you go with attachment, then your links will be attached to host file, and anyway you should send separately attachment and host file. But like even symbol is changed, but for now overlay is good for architecture file, so we're clicking OK. And now we have our lighting plan for 2 levels, then we have ceiling plan for 2 levels, mainly for placing lighting fixtures, and power plan for our electrical fixtures and devices. So as you can see, we have some trees here, and we have not correctly view here. We don't need all this stuff. So how to set up visibility of graphics? Very interesting topic. So first of all, let's put some lighting devices and electrical fixtures on our plans, some random devices, because I want to show an example. So we are going to system, we are going to electrical devices and electrical fixtures, and we are placing some random sockets here. When we are going to system, we are going to devices and lighting, and we are placing some random switches. Okay, but actually I don't want to see, for example, on power plan lighting devices, and on lighting plan I don't want to see electrical sockets. How to do it? I will show 2 options. First, you go to visibility graphic. You can find here your electrical fixtures and switch off and click apply. Another option, again switch on. Another option, not to go to this menu, it's to pick up element, right click on it, hide in view, and choose category. Please never choose element, because like you should hide by category or by filter, because nobody will understand how element was hidden if you just hide element. It will be hidden element without any rule. Don't do it. So category. Okay, when we go to power plan, and we're choosing our switches and hiding in view by category. Again, we want to get rid of trees. Important moment, you cannot choose your architecture file if this button is active. For example, I'm switching it on and I cannot choose architecture file. Switching off, I can choose architecture file. Because I want to hide the trees, I need to choose them somehow. How to choose the trees? We are putting our cursor here above the tree, clicking tab and clicking left click on the mouse. And you see here as the planting category, we don't need plants on our plants, so we again right click, hide in view, category. The same for lighting. Let's pick up our trees. So putting cursor here, clicking tab, just try to click tab, like it's very interesting button, like it's helping you to choose different elements if they overlay. So okay, I'm clicking on trees and I'm clicking right click, hide in view, category. Again, for example, furniture, I'm clicking tab, clicking left click, furniture, and I'm hiding it. The same on power, like it's just for training. Clicking tab, right click, hide in view, category. Okay, Now we have sockets on power plan, no trees, no furniture, and here we have lighting devices, no electrical fixtures. Okay, but if you will like work in some company or in some project or somewhere else, like usually you cannot like choose any options like with visibility and graphics, because you will work with templates, like because to make the same routine procedures every time for every plane, it's will take a lot of time. That is why we have templates, and we should work in templates. Now actually here we don't have any template applied, because view template like known, you can go and choose any graphic options and so on. But let's create a view template. We have lighting, we have power. Let's create a view templates from it. How to create it? You go to view, you go to view templates and create template from current view. We are creating, for example, lighting plan template and click OK. And we should choose it here. Lighting, apply, OK. When we go to power, again, view section, view template, create template, and it will be power plan. Power plan, OK. And view template, we should apply our power plan template here. We also have some predefined, but we will create our. Let's save the project. So we have two templates, but limitation. When you have view template, this visibility graphic override, now it's not active. And very often you have template, but you need to switch on temporary some category. And how to do it? Like, because you shouldn't ruin template. You should use the same template with same graphic options, but we have a little trick here. We have here temporary view properties. It's a menu with different visibility secrets. For example, you are pressing here temporary view properties, enable temporary view properties, and now we have this blue screen. And now we can go to visibility graphics and switch on our lighting devices, for example, because we are on power plan. Yes, where is our lighting devices? We switching on, apply, OK. Now we can see our lighting devices here. Yes, but as soon as you're switching off temporary view properties, these devices is hidden. So it's very useful trick. Also, we need to crop somehow our plan. Yes, because we don't need such a big territory here. So for cropping plan, we should go crop view, crop region visible, apply, and here we have our crop region. We are making cropping, and we are hiding crop region visible, apply. Now our plan is cropped. The same here, crop view, crop region visible, apply, and we are cropping the view. Okay, and now we can switch off crop region visible. Let's save. But as you can see, let's go to elevation. We have here not two store, we have three stores, like on a roof. We need to add third floor somehow. Let's do it. So first of all, let's go to our view templates here, and let's check our subdiscipline for lighting plan, just to double check, like it's lighting. our lighting subdiscipline, good. And for power plan, it's power. Subdiscipline is power, like, because it's necessary for inserting plan of third level in correct project section. For inserting, let's go to view, plan views. We need to choose floor plan, and we need to choose third floor. If you uncheck here, do not duplicate existing views, you will see other levels here, but we need like only third one. So let's check out this. When, for example, I want to insert lighting plan, when I go to edit type, and I need to choose here my lighting plan template. Click OK, click apply, click OK, and click OK. And now I see here our lighting plan. But what is going here? Why it's lighting here? Because I choose power plan here. Okay, I need lighting. Okay. Now it looks good. We have third floor and two previous one. When I need a power plan for the third level, let's go again, view, plan views, floor plan. Where is our third floor? Correct. Do not duplicate existing view. We are choosing third floor. We are choosing edit type. We are choosing power plan. Click apply, click OK, click apply OK, and OK. And now we have third floor in power plans. So let's rename it. Click on it, right click, rename, free, power. The same here, right click, rename, free, lighting. And would you like to rename corresponding level and views? Usually I'm choosing no, like I'm not renaming levels because like I don't need to rename it, like usually the name is good. I'm choosing levels from architecture file. So now we have lighting plans, power plans. Okay, let's save it and let's go to next lesson.